Yo, guys, this is Nice Matondo. I'm back with another video, guys. This is my client here. He's about to do the steep now, guys. Bafo, yaphile yaphuthi. Sibonge bafo. Senze okulungile mfethu. Away. Danko. We're out here, guys. As you can see, guys, I'm here. Hope you're good. And we're back with another video. We're about to do the steep, guys. I'm redoing the videos, guys, because now my last videos were like kind of like good, but not that good because I was starting, eh? So when time went on, I learned so much, guys, on the driving school. I saw the things that I should have been doing. I saw the things that I should be saying. I saw the things that I should be showing you guys. So today it's the day that I make it a point that I rewrite or redo everything that I did, guys, so that you could see clearly what to do. So here, guys, we go to start here. This is our steep, guys. As you can see, he's about to turn and he's turning late, making sure that he's going to climb the steep nicely. Then he's climbing the steep, then he's about to do the press, the clutch, and then the brake. Then he does the neutral and handbrake up. So guys, every time when you arrive here, make it a point that you control your car, you put it straight before it becomes in another way. And the steering wheel method before, as you can see, guys, he's doing the steering wheel method, wanting to put his tires straight, 2 and then half. Perfect. I have that video, guys, that shows you how to put your tires straight so that you could make sure that your tires are straight when you go. If it happens that you don't know how your tires are facing, and then you balance your clutch nicely, and then after you hear that vibration sound, guys, you need to listen to that clutch in order for you to hear the vibration sound, and then we will tell you that the car is ready. Nice. So he's gonna come back here on the steep, guys, just to make sure that he did the right thing and he knows what he's doing. Nice. So here, guys, about to do the steep again. I need you to look at it proper, and when he arrives there, guys, when you climb or turn, when you drive a Code 10 or bigger car, make sure, guys, you turn late a bit so that when you climb the steep, your car could go up nicely without having a warning sign to jump a cliff or what. Sorry about my English, but yeah, you get me, guys, eh? Nice. And she's turning, he's gonna pull back, he's pulling back, and then he's about to go straight, and then he's gonna hit the full clutch, and then he brakes same time, then he does the full clutch, neutral, then handbrake up. Nice. Then after that, he's making sure that he's putting his tires straight. As you can see, guys, he's doing the method. He's putting the tires straight. Then he does the 5-point check just to make sure he checks his surroundings. And then he's about to balance the car. As you can see, guys, the car is on the steep and he's balancing the clutch. Then, guys, the mistake that you shouldn't do here, you shouldn't rush yourself. Take everything slowly. Listen to the vibrations nicely. Before balansa kahle clutch, ungayijahi. Mase iduma kahle, ehlise handbrake kahle, bese uyekela iclutch yonke ke ihambe kahle. Away. Nice. Make sure, guys, that you listen to the sound carefully. Straight reverse, ne? Nice. Guys, I'm about to show you the straight reverse. So here, guys, you need to make sure when you climb your steep, you make it a point that you listen to your vibrations thoroughly so that your car could climb nicely on the steep as he did it now, guys. I hope you saw what's happening here, and I'll try to make more videos, guys, in order for you to get it more and understand it more. So the important thing here on the steep is for you is to balance the steep. Very important, guys. So this is our steep, guys. Catch me on another video. I'm about to do the straight reverse, so stay tuned.